In this video, let's talk about an interesting geometrical problem. How to draw a perpendicular through a point on a line. So, what do I mean? A perpendicular through a point on a line is like, so we have a line like that, straight line. And okay, let me make it straight. Horizontal, okay. So we have a point here. So what we need to do, right? What we need to achieve is draw something like that, a perpendicular through this point. Perpendicular means this is 90 degrees. Okay. We can only use the two tools, right? Compass and the straight edge. Now pause the video. Give it a try on the paper. Okay. Now let's see how we can make this perpendicular. So the strategy is somehow we need to create, right? A point somewhere here, right? Like that. Maybe if we have a point here, right? So we can connect this. But how? We can put our compass here. One of, yeah, it's needle. Put it here. And we can draw an arc here and use the same radius, right? And cut here. So the distance, oh. Yeah, cut here. So make sure the distance of this one equals this one. Now we can adjust the span of the compass, right? Make the radius bigger, maybe this long. So now we move our compass to this point, right? And draw a bigger arc like that. Now we can move the compass to this point, right? And draw a similar one like that. Now we get out a point we need. So we can draw our answer line like that. This will be the perpendicular, right? Going through this point on the line.